Hey guys, welcome back to Scalable. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your Canva logo or any logo in general into a vector design. Alright, to begin with, this is an example logo design that I have right here. We're going to use Scalable as an example. Alright, so we want to convert them into black and white, right? So that when you convert, you can actually identify its shape, right? So as you can see, this is the background. I'm going to remove the background of the logo. So there you go, there's no more color. This is a PNG, by the way, this logo right here. Okay, I'm gonna change it into black color since we need it to be vector. Alright, I'm gonna head over to edit, and under adjust, I'm gonna turn this logo into a black color. So I'm gonna reduce the brightness, increase the contrast. You can already see it's starting to turn into a black color. And yeah, I'm gonna reduce the white, and why not, let's increase the black color. That looks great. Look at that, it's black color right now. Now my text, I'm gonna turn it into black also. Let's see, there you go. Same goes for this text right here. Make sure everything is black. Alright, now I'm gonna download it. Head over to share, download. And I find PNG is the best suited when you want to convert into a vector. So hit download. Alright, now I want you to go to this website, and for your output format, you can choose whichever you like. So I'm gonna go with PDF for an example. So hit start, and once you're done, click on the result, and there you go. Look at that. As you can see, your design is now in vector format. Now for a different preview, I'm going to download it as EPS. As you can see, it's opening my Adobe Illustrator. And here you go, you can see my vector logo is right here. Look at that. And I can play around with the logo, with the text, so on and so forth. That is how you can turn your Canva logo or any logo into a vector format.